नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। My name is JBN Dr. Vishal Saxena. I am Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Methods of Solution, and we will take the method graphical method. So this module is a part of the course Operation Research under the program BB and BB LLB 6th semester, and the name of faculty under which this course or this program is running here is Law and Governance. So first we will understand here what is graphical method. So graphical method of linear programming is used to solve problems by finding the highest or the lowest point of intersection between the objective function line and the feasible line on a graph. So it means we will find the graphical, we will solve the equations here by graphical method in that way. Here first we will take all the constants and we will take here constants, we will draw them, these constants like as an equation, and we will find the bounded region, and we will find the solution by these inequations or these constants. So steps of solution. The first point is taking each inequation as an equation, graph them. Second point is here, find the feasible region for constant and the common feasible region. And the point 3 is find the extreme points of the feasible region and the value of the objective function at these extreme points, and then we will conclude the result. So in this way, first of all, we will just take inequations as an equation and we will draw them on the graph paper. After this, we will find the feasible region of each constant, and after this we will find the common feasible region, which is bounded portion by the constant lines, which is feasible part, and after this we will find the extreme points of the feasible region, and then we will find the value of the objective function, these extreme points, and after this the maximum value of objective function lies at what point, what extreme point here. This is the solution of the problem. So we understand this graphical method with an example. So we are going to take an example here in this way. Suppose we have a objective function given that here 4x plus 5y, and which is to be maximized such that the two constants are given that 2x plus y is less than or equal to 9 and x plus y is less than or equal to 7. So these are the two constants also called inequations, and the non-negative restriction is x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. So next, after this here we will draw the here these two constants taken as equations, and we can see here in the graph paper the two lines are shown. These two lines accept the coordinate axis, which are the x axis and y axis. So the two lines are shown here. So these two lines have been plotted, have been drawn here on the graph paper, and then the shaded portion is shown in the graph paper. This is the common bounded portion between the lines, and this is the feasible part of the constants here. The extreme points of these points are here. This feasible region is here, O point, A point, C point, and E and O points, and the coordinates are shown here for these points. O, that means origin, which is always 0 comma 0, point A, which is here 9 by 2 comma 0, point C, which is here 2 comma 5, and point E is here 0 comma 7. So these are the points, and now we will just find here the value of the objective function on these points here, on the extreme points. point O, A, C, E and O. You can see it is clearly O, A, C, E, O is a common feasible region here. So next we will find the objective function value. Objective function is here z is equal to 4x plus 5y on all these points here. So we can see here this one as objective function z at origin 0, 0 is shown here 0. The value of objective function z at the point 9 by 2, 0 is 18, while the objective function value at the point 2, 5 is shown here 33, and the value of objective function at the point 0, 7 is here 35. So we have calculated the value of z at all these points and these are shown here. Now we can observe here 35 is the maximum value which is at the point 0, 7. So therefore objective function z is maximum at z point z value at 0, 7 point, and this maximum value is here 35. So it means 0, 7 is the solution of our problem, and the maximum value of the objective function is here 35, and this solution is obtained by the graphical method. So this session is powered by the digital version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it here. So in this way, in the today's lecture, we have studied the solution method of the linear programming problem, and this method is here, graphical method. The graphical method is very important and is easy to solve here by this method, and just we can solve here. We have shown with example. So first we have to draw the lines or draw the curves, draw the lines for the constants taking as equations, and then the most important thing is here we have to find the common bounded portion, and which is also called common feasible region, and at the extreme points one of the extreme point is lying there at which the objective function is maximum, and that point is called the solution of the problem. So with this here actually just we have studied this method here, and I hope if you have any problem then you will mention in the comment box. So with this here we conclude our today's lecture. Thank you.